Good morning all. Today we will learn Rakhi making. For Rakhi occasion, material required is we need 3 circles of a same size, one of a small size, you can take any color. We need 3 circles of a other color, like you can choose any color for flower, 1 small circle of green color, 2 ribbons of different shades, piece of a green pastel sheet, pearls. I have a spare one. You can use anything for decoration like pearl stickers, pearls, CP sitaras, all that. Fevicol and small piece of ribbon, scissor. So let's start making it. Circle. So first we will make a base. I am taking small circle. You can take any color of a ribbon for this. So what we have to do, first we have to put Fevicol here. After this, just fold a ribbon little bit and put it here like this. After this we have to just fold our ribbon in a decorative way. See how I am folding it. You have to take ribbon like this and make a plaits like this. Again we have to put Fevicol and we will fold our ribbon like this. Again we have put Fevicol like this. See children, like this we have to just cover our circle with same design. See children, I have these circles. Okay, after this we will paste this circle on each other. We have to paste like this. After this we will make roses of these 3 pink circles. We have to cut it. We have to cut it in a spiral shape. After this we have to roll it. We have to roll it till the end. Like this we have to roll it. Put Fevicol at the end and just leave this flower on the Fevicol area. Like this. See? So same as children, we have to make 2 roses more. Green circle and spare green sheet. We have to make leaves on it. After making leaves, we have to cut it. So after cutting, we need 6 to 8 leaves. We have to paste these leaves on this circle. Like this we have to paste it. After pasting leaves, we have to paste this base here. At the center of our Rakhi. After pasting, we have to arrange these 3 roses on it. Put Fevicol. See children, after this we have to put one pearl at the center of the rose. Like this we have to paste pearls on it. Okay, after this we have to make a base. We have to put ribbon like this. We have to paste it in the center. Put Fevicol. And just paste it like this. See, our decorative Rakhi is ready. See children. So we have to make another one also. So children, we have to make a second Rakhi. Material required is 2 circles of pastel sheet of 2 inch, red circle of red color ½ inch, 2 glitter circle of ½ inch, 1 inch and ½ inch, golden gotta, piece of ribbon, earbuds, Fevicol, scissor and pearls. So let's start making it. We have to color these earbuds in green and red color. After coloring, we have to cut it like this. Like this we need green earbuds and red earbuds, like this earbuds. So first we will wrap our this circle with golden string. Put Fevicol here. Paste this string here. Put a Fevicol like this. After this we have to wrap this string like this. Like this we have to wrap our full circle, whole circle. Okay, so children, like this we have to wrap our whole circle and just put a Fevicol at the back. After this we have to put circle here. Like this. Just press it nicely. After pasting this circle at the back, we have to put ribbon in the center. Like this. After this we have to paste our second circle on it. Like this. So this is our base of Rakhi. Right, children? After this we will decorate our Rakhi with these colored earbuds. After pasting on the circle like this, we have to paste white birds, red birds. Put Fevicol. After this we have to arrange our red birds like this. We have to balance all these birds. Paste this circle on our Rakhi base. Just press it nicely. Take this green circle and white circle, paste it on a green and just like this. See, our beautiful Rakhi is ready. So our two Rakhis are ready. See how is it looking? Is it beautiful? So children, I hope you like it. Show your creativity. Use anything to decorate it. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.